the safest thing for everybody is just to wear your mask and wash your hands, because I mean, I really think that helps. I mean, I've seen some of the people that wear their mask and they blow on the candle. And when you blow on the candle with the mask on, you're not going to make that candle go out, because I mean, and so it's just logical that it is providing protection. So, any kind of protection, just wear it.
Unless I'm going to work, I go to work and back, and that's it. Unless I'm going to get gas, I wear 2 masks actually, and I always wear gloves. I should not think of myself as being, I am comfortable for your life. I should think like, I want to protect you. So I'll wear a mask, be uncomfortable for this short duration of when I'm out, or when we're interacting, so I can protect you from getting this virus.
I started out wearing gloves, but then I got a good supply of sanitizer. I always wear a mask when I'm with other people. I always do. Even if they don't believe that they need to, or that it helps, I don't do it to offend anyone. I truly don't want to make anyone sick if I am asymptomatic. I sanitize when I get in my car. I sanitize the wheel and anything that I may have touched. It's just second nature now. And I think it's a really small price to pay.
6 months ago, if somebody had come in wearing a mask, I would have been scared and probably started throwing money on the floor at their feet and running for the back door. Now they come in not wearing a mask, and I'm looking for the can of Lysol. So life has changed. It's like the bank has a sign, you must wear a mask. I'm like, I don't feel comfortable wearing a mask in a bank. I'm going to look like a bank robber. Okay, no, I'm going to look like an idiot if I don't wear my mask.
Don't take this for granted. Don't take it lightly. Wash your hand, do all you can. We got to use our God judgment. We must stay a distant, because this virus don't care who it jump on, whether you're young, you're old, black, white, green, yellow, or what have you. If you can see here, I have it right here. I'm going to put it on now. Now, that's the way you got to do.
It's a selfless, patriotic, community-minded act to wear a mask. And I encourage everybody, if you love your neighbors and if you love your community, you'll wear a mask for their benefit, if not for your own.